Hi, my name is Bimal Sharma, and here I'm going to discuss the importance of pets in everyday life. Uh, we are all city people, stressed out, traffic, noise, family, everything. So we need to unwind, right? We don't jog, we don't gym. What's the best thing we can do? Voila, we can have pets just like these. You don't like the barking of a dog? No problem. This is the answer. You don't like the cat scratching the furniture? This, my friend, is the answer. Nice, peaceful, quiet, doing their own thing, giving you immense happiness. What more can you ask for when you're back home, tired after a hard day's work? Think about it. Keep a fish tank.